Hello everyone, I'm Masood Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. If you're interested in learning Revit for structural concrete building, please subscribe to my channel. Before you watch this video, please support me so that I can provide more high-quality tutorials in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood Structural Studio. In this section, we are going to investigate UI control layer in WPF. The image you see is the image of the ETABS plugin that we are going to create in this course. In our plugin, layer 0 contains two rows. The first row contains the close and minimize buttons and the title bar, and the second row is the plugin's main page. Note that each row in each layer can be further divided into rows and columns by new grid. Now we want to visualize the case for you with rows and columns. Grid 1 consists of two rows. Now we want to divide the first row into 3 columns and the second row into 6 columns in 0 layer.